A Summery Saturday Morning. We take the dogs down the wiggly track, the wiggly track, the wiggly track. One dog's white and the other dog's black on a summery Saturday morning. Bad dogs, chase the cat, chase the cat, chase the cat. One dog's thin and the other dog's fat on a summery Saturday morning. They chase the boy on the rattly bike, the rattly bike, the rattly bike. Chasing things is what dogs like on a summery Saturday morning.
Whoa!
Long grass grows on the edge of the sea, the edge of the sea, the edge of the sea. The wind is blowing wild and free on a summery Saturday morning. A goose looks out of the tangled green, the tangled green, the tangled green. Her neck is long and her eye is mean on a summery Saturday morning. Another goose, and then another, then another, then another. 7 sleek sisters out with mother on a summery Saturday morning. The geese begin to run away, run away, run away. The dogs run too, they want to play on a summery Saturday morning. We run too to catch the dogs, to catch the dogs, to catch the dogs. Scattering shells and leaping logs on a summery Saturday morning. The mud begins its guggly wugs, its guggly wugs, its guggly wugs. Our sandals slide like slugly wugs on a summery Saturday morning. The geese turn round and flap and hiss, flap and hiss, flap and hiss. The dogs were not expecting this on a summery Saturday morning. The geese begin to chase us back, chase us back, chase us back, out of the mud and up the track on a summery Saturday morning. If you want to walk in peace, walk in peace, walk in peace. Don't let your dogs upset the geese on a summery Saturday morning.